At Lamps Plus, we've been inventing and innovating great lighting and decor for over 40 years. We're constantly innovating at our massive fulfillment center in California. This place is big, really big, with 2 facilities employing over 300 people 7 days a week, spanning more than 857,000 square feet. That's bigger than Buckingham Palace, bigger than 13 football fields. With a space that large, we work hard to make it as green as possible, so we rely on natural lighting. And where that doesn't suffice, we're converting to motion-operated LEDs. Of course, we recycle too, a lot. All cardboard and foam is compressed and shipped off to be transformed into brand new packaging and products. And we disassemble all damaged and unusable merchandise by hand, because each item recycled is one less in the landfill. From here, we ship everything from small replacement parts to giant chandeliers. Proprietary technology and, most importantly, great people allow us to move these packages fast. Tens of thousands of packages, to be exact, all in stock and ready to ship across town or across the country at a moment's notice. The Lamps Plus Warehouse Fulfillment Center, another reason why we're the nation's largest specialty lighting retailer.